what's up, guys? Sniper team here, the whole gang.
What's up, guys?
What's up? Hope you guys are having a good day today. So today we're actually going to go over a trade where we thought it was a good one to go over because this is a good example of not forgetting about the stocks that you trade, one, and two, not forgetting about the stocks that you even watch. Because HDII, the stock that we're about to go over, it was on the watch list before we even traded it. We traded it the first time. We were able to bag a little bit over 700, and then we were able to see it 5 or 6 days later, I think, right? Something like that.
Follow-up breakout.
Yeah, it was a couple days later, exactly, a follow-up breakout, and we were able to play it again. So pretty cool. We captured a lot. We captured all of it on film. So we're gonna go over our trade, our breakdown. It was in September of HDII, both trades.
Excited to talk about this one.
Let's dive in. Let's do it. All right, you guys ready to start?
Let's get it.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go.
Yeah, this is a great trade, man. It's, start off with, everything going on here. With some live footage. What a dip it just had from 2.5 to 2.
From the breakout? From the top of the breakout. Let's go. Let's get a hold. Boy.
Like another purchase price at 40 cents.
Yes, we're getting some buyers, baby. So let's check this out. So let's go ahead. Now we'll dive into our buy. So check this out. We'll dive right into it. This is actually us just getting into our positions.
Let's go.
As you can see, it's 243. We were able to grab it right at the bottom of the dip. So first things first, it was a great snipe.
Yeah.
I would say.
Oh man, this is a great one.
Right over the breakout.
It's a breakout. Trusting the breakout level. Knowing there's going to be support there. It was a little bit early. We bought it at 245, but just great risk reward. And you want to feel comfortable with your risk levels, and we were risking really nothing here. So
yeah,
we felt pretty comfortable about it, and it went our way. So it was a really good spot.
Yeah, key thing about what we do is time and entry. And right here the time is a little early, but our entry is golden. So that's why we took this. It's hard to grab something like this if you're just gonna throw an order in. With something like this, we actually had our order waiting to come down to this certain spot, which we liked because it's that already breakout spot, which is a 52-week breakout.
Yeah, good point. And like going back to our entry, what I really like about it is you see that we got this on a dip, and with this, it was a dip that it was slowly, gradually coming down. So you saw it slowly. You were able to time it. And you could see that it was slowly turning as well. And even though it was right under VWAP, the dip was gradual enough and slow enough. It wasn't like a sharp, nasty one. There wasn't a whole bunch of sellers. Very light on the sell side. So we went ahead and just took advantage of what was there. We saw some bids coming back in. Like again, even though it was right below VWAP, we knew if it got right back over it, it can continue that momentum. And the projections, from what we've seen, and end up paying off here. So this is 253 now.
As we don't know where it's going to find its support. We really don't. But we really just react to the possibility.
Yeah. Nice pop back over VWAP, and now we're getting our first dip from after we bought it. When we bought it. But we have a great spot now. It's at the bottom of the dip, and that's really all we're risking. We're risking that same exact spot. So like Al said, not risking anything now. So 255. Let's see what happens.
Pretty comfortable, up 10% or so. Not bad. Coming into power hour, it's about to be, the prime time. A lot of traders will have their eye on this one, so let's see.
Now we're sitting back and just waiting, looking up, seeing the other plays that are out there for the afternoon. Because now we're about to jump into power hour when volume really picks up.
And this is probably the time that more people are going to start getting into it. That's why it's key to try to prepare throughout the day and look for stocks. Constantly search your watch list to find stocks like this, because if you're prepared for something like this, you won't be the guy that's becoming a little later at 3:15, 3:30 and buys it at high day break. In our situation, we're already up 15% if it gets to that high day break, which is very key in this situation. It's actually how we were able to make so much here.
Yeah, this is my favorite setup. So I love when this comes around.
This is so ideal, you know, even with a small account, you have a couple hundred, couple thousand in your account. This is really perfect.
Yeah.
I mean, you're up 15%, you know, right away, really.
Yeah, and the second dip is holding now, or the first dip from our buy.
Beautiful.
So we're getting a higher low.
Like Alex said, though, if you really do want to grow your account, you don't have too much, that's what we're here for. We're here to help you with that. But that's what these shares are here for. I mean, these stocks, these penny stocks, OTC breakouts, multi-month, the more you start to watch on them, the more technicals you start to get.
Yep.
It's beautiful. This is what you want to look for.
Yeah, and it's people just having fun. It's a lot of people like us trading these stocks, and that's really who you're going up against. So a lot of new people, because we especially get to see it, people coming in and out. So no matter what, there's going to be a whole bunch of new people, and the people that are even in it are people like us, because everyone else says stay away from these stocks. And check this out, actually. While we're chattering here, we actually got our first half sell at 320, and we decided to take it because we're up 25% plus intraday.
Quick too, within probably an hour and a half.
So bam, 320.
Having a hard
the
time
profit.
at the top. We'll see.
Right there.
It's 25%. I wanted to have a hard time at 20 minutes.
Yeah, and anyone could look at that and think about that. Really step back and think about it. 20% on your investment, that's huge. So anyone could think, of course, that's a great pull. That's what we decided to do. But now explain why we decided to stay in with the rest of it.
Yeah, I mean, you got to give it a chance. There's 38 minutes left in Power Hour where this could continue, and it's already testing and breaking the highs of the day again. So,
True.
You might as well give it a chance. You're in at a really good spot. We've seen these go overnight higher the next morning, so it's a good odd setup, and you have to. That's a big
people
key
buy
too.
that break early at like 1 o'clock, and then they get like, oh shit, no damn, it's dipping. What the
That's a good
fuck?
point. So exactly like you
Sell
said,
those
also,
shares to me, bro.
your
I'm
buy,
about that shit.
where you got in, and then the bullish signs, as you were saying, making that high day.
See the screen here.
Yeah, so but we took our first sell into strength, so
Yeah,
that was the most
that's
important
key.
thing. That was
And this is our second sell limit. So we put our limit in, and not sure if it's gonna hit it. It's still 330. We decided let's do it. If we can get this intraday bag over, this would be 700 plus. We'll take it. So let's see what happens.
And the size, I think, was only 3,000.
Let's see, my friend.
Usually go in, so this is something
Ooh,
that
someone came in on us.
people out there.
anyone can do this.
Back to the live footage.
It's alright.
And psychology is a huge thing in trading. That's first sell, if you saw it, it was right before that high day break. We did that because sometimes you'll get rejected at high day. So
it's a resistance.
why not? And that's what you call, for stock related terms, we have resistance and support. And our buy spot is actually at a support spot.
Yeah.
So it's a psychology thing, and the more you start to trade, the more you'll pick it up.
Yeah, moral of the story, you just sell into strength, and especially if it's hitting a resistance area. If it's gone up 25% in 20 minutes and it's hitting a resistance area, there's no problem taking profit.
Good point.
It's amazing.
And it's funny as you guys bring that up. This one's actually now having troubles, and as you can see with the profit and loss still open, it's 390. But this one's actually having its troubles right now at the high of day, at that resistance point.
Yeah, and that's all right. There's still like 18 minutes left.
Yeah, we still got 18 minutes in. It's holding its
It's
past
strong
high.
though. Compared to where we got in at 2 cents, this is ideal. This is beautiful. This is exactly what we envisioned. This is a trade you want to be in. This is a trade that you feel comfortable with while you're in. You could have got in later at 2.3, 2.4, and felt a little bit, more worried about this actually coming down right here. But when you're in on a dip, near support, minimal risk, it's a really really good trade, and that's why we took
There it
profits.
is. It's actually at 344.
Bam!
Unbelievable. Less than what?
Cash it,
50
cash
minutes?
it, cash
Was
it.
it
Yeah.
50 minutes?
It's right around 50 minutes.
40 minutes?
That was really nice.
Let's go, man.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
Cash money.
Nice. So that was HDII, the first one. Like Mike said, cash money. There's nothing else you can do.
30% total, 28% we made on our investment. So
Yeah, and you can do now it's $700 in your bank, and you can take that out of your broker account. You can plan a weekend trip.
yeah,
You can do whatever
We
you want to
put
do.
a little less than 3,000 into that trade. To
Yeah, and
come out
we
with-
went actually. Yeah,
come out
exactly.
with
a little bit light.
$700 is, you know, it's really ideal for your situation
701
in 50
profit.
minutes. In 50 minutes, so
Yeah.
anyone can do this.
And now check this out. 5 days later. So here, diving back into
Ooh,
action.
don't
5
forget
days
about it.
later, exactly. So
Don't
this is,
forget about it.
you know, the lesson where not to forget about it. 5 days later, it's actually lining up with a similar setup that OTC. It's breaking out. Now it's a continuation breakout. So we were
Yeah.
looking for some big. You know, we got in on a dip the first time. We were looking for a nice win on that one. Now with this one, it's similar where we're getting a break at the end of the day, but now we're buying it towards the end of the day because this one wasn't as fluent as you could see throughout the
much
day.
less volume.
Yeah,
for
so
sure.
we're fortunate in that situation. So
we're
that's
patient. We're patient with this.
the more you're in it, it's, you know, you adapt a little bit to these things. The more you're around with the
Amazing.
group, there's a lot of people in the group. You know, shout out Sniper Muffin that's adapting already
Yeah.
to all this, and this is just, you know, playing this play a little bit different. Here's
Yep.
HDII.
That's
Here we
a
go.
long-term chart right there. It's
Yeah.
it's beautiful. You can see we played that first breakout, 5 days straight of consolidation with support, and now the end of the day here, it's breaking out, making a new high of the day. And we were patient for this. This is a continuation breakout, so we were very patient to let this set up for us. We weren't
Yeah,
early buying it on a dip when on its first initial breakout. So we knew what we were doing here, and you know, we let this play come to us. We didn't really, you know, try to, you know, jump on this one too quick. So
Yeah.
it was nice.
It's 3:37 now, so
You have to know that this
deep
is
into power hour.
this stock came from the sub penny, and it's been up for like a month straight, really just grinding all the way past 3 cents now. So that's a lot. That's a lot.
Here we go, and as we were talking about before, this resistance, you saw it just passed this resistance. This is nice around here. Some mini fridge. Rocky Mountain Energy. But check this out. So look, as it's breaking past the resistance, the high day, another good example. We got in at 3.4, so now we have a cushion here. Now we have a cushion.
Yeah, but like I was saying earlier, since this is the continuation breakout, it's already overextended, so it's gone up a lot now. So our goals are a little bit more conservative. So when we saw 15% here, we took it, and it was actually really quick with this one too. It was like maybe 10 minutes, I think.
Yeah, I think the first
time.
Go!
Yeah, exactly. We put a little bit more into it, but we, you know.
Yeah, is Al screaming at his computer that hoping that it can go somewhere. Let's see. And we got 14 minutes left in the day. Now in this situation, you know, the stock can only go in 2 directions. It's either gonna go up or down. So with the strength we got, look at this, it's skipping cents. Well,
Yeah.
quote, sub pennies.
Sell into the strength.
And this
We
is-
just got it.
This is what the sell order is.
About
right
a
here.
4% jump it just made almost within a second.
And we're debating, and now look, you know, instead of taking the whole bag,
Look at this
we
thing.
decide there are bullish factors still, you know, with 14 minutes left at the end of the day. So let's just take half. So we went ahead and swing for it.
I mean, look at that. It's skipped. It's skipped. This is what you want to see when you're in a stock.
Yeah, and look again, you
Beautiful.
know, check this out.
Look at the volume on it.
Boom.
Bam.
Very
We
nice.
took it at the top right there.
Good stuff.
Another half sale. So you guys are learning you don't have to be greedy in this game.
It's just locking in
You
profits.
yeah, it's all about just taking the money
Locking
and going.
in.
Yeah.
People look for 7% all year. We're looking for that
We're just
daily
saying
plus
15 minutes.
10%
Well,
plus.
15%.
If you can add those up daily, you know that 10 days,
Yeah,
10%,
every
that's 100,
week,
and then you get
every
screwed.
month, it adds.
Grab
up.
live for
It's
this.
the strategy.
Oh, yeah, we got it.
As you can see, we're still trading from our phone,
Nice.
even live with the
Oh, yeah.
with the screen.
Absolutely.
Go.
Let's go, Mike. The screens as a fucking
Go, baby.
That was a nice, what was it? Another quick intraday one here, HDII.
Yeah, that was beautiful.
So let's see how the rest of the state ends up panning out.
We got what, 12 minutes left?
Yeah, 12 minutes left. Now we're up, you know, over 15%, and it's holding.
We are going to reach another psychology factor, which is a whole number in a stock, penny stock, which is 4. Hopefully you can hit that. We're looking for a good spot to break past that. but it has, like they said earlier, it has pushed a lot already, and you have to always be aware of that stuff.
Yeah.
It's already got a long push, not just on the day, but on the whole chart, that whole yearly chart. Like Alex said, it's coming from a sub penny, so be ready.
All right, so here we go. The
Yeah,
next
we held
morning,
it. We
decided
held
to
it
hold
overnight. Yep.
and it struggled a little bit. As you can see, it's a 377 close, but you know what? It held that breakout.
It held
but
it,
check this
right?
out.
It's showing
Now we're getting
four.
a gap up.
It's showing
Yeah.
4, what we wanted.
It's beautiful. That's
Exactly.
exactly what you look for, these OTC stocks.
So with 4.1 and 4.2, it's above 4. We decided we're gonna throw the ask in right away, right at 9.29.
What else?
Just
did you
put the
ask for?
order in.
It's another 10% on your money overnight.
Yeah. So now we're locking in 25 or
It's at
20%
4.2 on the bid, and
on
bam,
our second half right
good
there.
stuff.
Key is putting that
Love
sell in right before that buy.
Buyers
I mean,
are
right
there.
before that minute open. That bell.
Yeah, good stuff.
Let's go.
That was it right there.
2 bags.
The 2
One
bags.
stock.
Exactly, dude. HDII. Now it's collectively that was like 1,400
14,
Same
1500
month,
in
I
a week.
think.
in the week. So yeah, guys. So 1,500 in those 5 days with HDII.
It's money with minimal investments. It's capable of
In
anyone
both.
to do it.
Exactly.
Both of them.
In a
In
week.
both of them. Yeah. So what can you do with 1,500 in that 5 days? So
Yep.
it's crazy.
These plays come around often, so
Yeah.
every week.
I just went to Toronto and I only spent 450 collectively. So it's a couple of those trips.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this is what actually the stock ended up doing. And check this out. This is actually pretty funny. A couple days later, complete tumble. And these are just shows you an example. We just wanted to show this to show the stocks that we trade. We're trading them at the right time. There's only certain times that you can get money out of them. There's only certain times that you can get potential out of them. And we're finding those potential. You hear some people talk about these stocks, some of these penny stocks. It's very rare they'll catch mainstream, but people will talk about them at the tail end of the move, like HDII. Now, when it's down, it's like you can't make money on that anymore. So this
That's
is
why
what we want to show.
it pays to be prepared, and we do that work for you. We set out these stocks that are prime and ready to spike. So
Yeah, exactly. Because that's what
It
we're looking
works.
for. That's the only thing. That's what's gonna make you money in this game. So let's do it. Let's keep finding it. Shout out to the team for finding
keep
more of
finding
them.
finding these HDIIs before they happen.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
So.
Being patient.
That's right. Be patient for these. That's
Yeah.
right.
All right, guys. Much love. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you guys around. Cheers.
Boom.